These little wheels, they work hard. Over time, the rubber on the wheels can wear down, losing its grip on your floors. This means your Roborock S7 is losing its traction, leading to those comical spins and frustratingly inefficient cleaning sessions. Ignoring these worn wheels can lead to more than just frustration. You'll get reduced cleaning efficiency, it might start damaging your furniture, and ultimately, it could strain other components. It is important to fix it as soon as possible. Immediately, you will start to think about fixing your Roborock S7 yourself. But before you grab that screwdriver, let's talk about why DIY repairs on modern robot vacuums can be risky. The Roborock S7 is packed with complex technology. It's not just a simple vacuum cleaner. These machines have intricate sensors, motors, and delicate wiring that all work together. Attempting to fix the wheel worn out issue yourself might seem straightforward, but you could easily damage other sensitive components in the process. Also, the wheel problem might not even be the only issue. Sometimes, there could be underlying causes that you wouldn't be able to identify without specialized knowledge. But hey, don't risk further damage or waste your time. RoboCare is here to help you. Our technicians at RoboCare have years of experience diagnosing and fixing wheel problems on Roborock S7 vacuums. We have the specialized tools and expertise needed to correctly identify the problem, fix it, and get your S7 back to optimal performance without the risk of further damage. And look at that. With RoboCare's expert wheel repair, your Roborock S7 is back to smoothly and efficiently cleaning your floors like it's brand new. No more struggling, no more slipping, just smooth cleaning power. After we returned the robot to the customer, they said it worked like new again, so they were delighted. Whether it's worn out tires or any other robot vacuum problem, RoboCare has you covered. Contact RoboCare today and let us take care of your robot vacuum repair needs.